Candidates Dumagoso Joaquin,
excuse me lang.
Good to see you again. Trabaho na ulit.
Opo, trabaho na tayo, Yorme.
Pasaran nyo na.
Ang pagbabalik!
Yorme, kailangan na kayo. Salamat, boss.
Junior. Sean. Thank you, Sean. Sean, isa tayo after, ha?
Yes, boss.
May na lang muna sa
Darling, you're okay. My bag. Hindi ko ba nito?
Here, next.
Republic of the Philippines Division of Elections to the F number 22. Certificate of Canvas, Votes and Proclamation of winning candidate for member House of Representatives. May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Foreign Parliamentary Elections. May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify that under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 346 Class 36 for the candidates therein for member House of Representatives in the election held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is a statement of votes 56, CEF number 20-A guarded by each candidate for the office of member of the House of Representatives. That under such canvas it appears that Judicial Earnings, 109,820 votes for for the office of the member of House of Representatives. The same thing the highest number of votes legally cast of said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as a duly elected member of House of Representatives, NCR City of Manila, First Legislative District, Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we have fixed our signatures and we print our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila, this May 13, 2025, 6:33 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jerry Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni Tilly, Vice Chairperson, Marisa Lometa, Member Secretary. Tumago sa waki, Gonzalo Makin, Alfonso, Colonel Julie Pai, and Magpabilin, and Ewan.
Excuse me now. Guys, excuse now. Excuse me po. Excuse lang dadaan sa mga. Excuse po.
Ayan sila yung hindi ka na padadaan.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Kasi pala. Bola ka. Laki ito eh. Ayan.
Okay. CM number 24, Certificate of Canvass, Votes, and Proclamation of winning candidates for members of Guniapan Lungsod. May 12, 2025, National, Local, and Foreign Parliamentary Elections, May 12, 2025. We that assign members of the City Board of Canvassers to hereby certify on the oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 346, class 26 for the candidates therein for member of Sangguniang Panlungsod. The election is held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to the reporting part of 16 composed by precinct CEF number 20-A, guarded by each candidate. Name of winning candidates: Dumagoso Joaquin, 140,593 votes. Taga Jesus Pardo, 108,712 votes. Pansay Nieva, 105,063 votes. Irma Alfonso, 88,902 votes. Colonel June Ibay, 85,561 votes. And Mac Pabilin and UN, 73,426 votes. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named candidates as duly elected members of Guniapan Lungsod, NCR City of Manila, First District, the Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we have fixed our signatures and print our numbers in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila, this May 13, 2025, 6:33 p.m. Board of Canvassers, Jerry Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni Tilly, Vice Chairperson, and Marisa Lometa, Member Secretary. Congratulations, sirs.
Yeah!
Bigyan lang natin dyan. Madaan lang po.
Yes! Galing pa talaga kay Ata, ha?
Pare. Pare, sila manday niya.
Canvas the votes cast. The 1,534 class 56 for the candidates to be for mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached here to and forming partner of is the statement of votes by precincts CEF number 20-8 guarded by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvas, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno garnered 580,825 votes for the office of mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Iwan na apat na taon!
Shortcutin mo na!
On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim that Bob D. as the duly elected mayor of NCR City of Manila, province of NCR Manila. He will swear off, we affix our signatures and imprint our landmarks in the City of Manila, province of NCR Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jerry Menes, Chairperson, Giovanni Tiling, Vice Chairperson, Nerissa Lumena, Member Secretary.
Napapanood yan. Napapanood sa labas eh.
Congratulations, pamilya Dumagoso. Grabe, ganda ng buwan ng pamilya.
Dolensi, may usap ba sa ano? Sa Klaktawa?
Grateful in each and every citizen of the city. In this type of Monday, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, ako naman, alam ko sa June 30 pa uupo. Baka naman kung may visa pa yung salita ko ngayon. Ito naman, nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing this time.
Sumamalaw sila.
Words, hurtful words, thrown to us and to you.
Yes.
I know. But, sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory.
I salute you, Lorne!
Nanawagan ako sa inyo lahat. Paupain nyo na ang damdamin ninyo.
Yes!
Sa kalaban.
Huwag tayo mag-away-away.
Tapos na.
Let's move on in our lives.
Yes.
We must work together because together we